Interested in learning some simple Korean? 오늘의 비디오에 아재로 한국 가르칠 거예요. Stay tuned because we're going to jump into it right now. 바로 시작합시다. Afternoon.
Afternoon. Oh. Okay, that's pretty good. That's good.
친구들이 안녕하세요. 저는 필리피고 지금은 Korean Corner 보는 중이에요. And in Korean Corner, we want to help you learn to love Korean through language, culture, and comedy. If that's the type of thing you're interested in, please consider subscribing. 이게 뭐예요?
우유.
우유가 떨어지면 무슨 소리 나와요?
우유가 떨어지면 무슨 소리가 나?
예.
우유 없어?
아야.
아니야.
What do you call a large piece of tissue?
크리넥스.
Hugie. Alright, so this joke, like every other joke except for the milk carton joke, is a play on English and Korean, which is called Konglish. So tissue in Korean is hugie. It's also like toilet paper, sort of. Hugie is also how you would sort of say in an English Korean way, huge. So a large piece of tissue is called hugie because hugie is both tissue paper, toilet paper, and it's huge. What website do old Korean men use to find dates?
I don't know. What did they use? I don't know.
eHarmony.
eHarmony, really?
No, like eHarmony.
Oh, eHarmony.
eHarmony.
Okay, that's funny.
Alright, so where do old Korean men go to find dates? Everybody's heard of eHarmony, the dating website that's been out forever. eHarmony sounds a lot like eHarmony, but harmony means grandma, so it's a dating site for old Korean men to find old Korean women. eHarmony. eHarmony, eHarmony. Maybe you've heard this one before, it's pretty popular, but I thought it was funny enough to tell it again. What is the best time to build a snowman?
겨울.
Afternoon.
Snowman afternoon.
Afternoon. Like,
afternoon. Oh. Okay, that's pretty good. That's good.
all right, so when is the best time to build a snowman? Obviously, the answer is in the winter, which is what my mother-in-law said. However, afternoon is even funnier if you, again, speak Korean and English, because after is just after, and noon is the Korean word for snow. So the best time to build a snowman is afternoon or after snow. I think it's pretty good. My mother-in-law seemed to like it. I hope that you guys do too. All right, so if you're enjoying this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Let's head into the next joke. Why did the Korean smoker go to the rodeo?
You got me. I don't know.
Marlboro.
Marlboro. That's a good one.
You
How
get
did
it?
you come up with those?
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Marlboro.
Yeah. Marlboro.
This one is one that I don't think most people have heard. I'm actually pretty proud of it because I think I maybe made it up, or I don't remember where I heard it. But anyway, I may have made it up. So why did the Korean smoker go to the rodeo? The answer is Marlboro, which sounds like Marlboro, which is obviously some cigarettes. But the way it breaks down is Mar is horse, Bo is boda, to see, and Ro is a grammar pattern that means in order to. So Marlboro means in order to see horses, but it also works because it's a Korean smoker at the rodeo. Therefore, he's there for Marlboros. So it's just a funny sort of play on words. Again, this is all Konglish jokes, so it doesn't make a lot of sense in either language. But when you put them together, if you know both languages, they're actually pretty funny. All right, well, that's the end of the jokes. I want to know in the comments down below, what is the best Korean joke or Korean dad joke or Konglish joke that you've ever heard? If you have some that I haven't heard before, maybe I'll make another part 2 of this and tell those jokes as well, because I think they're pretty entertaining, and it's great that my mother-in-law hasn't heard any of them. So I think that makes it pretty funny. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. 다음 볼 때까지 잘 있어. That's all.
Good job.
That's all of them. Eileen's heard all my jokes, so she doesn't laugh.